Matthew Marasigan is looking for Marco Zandro Marasigan. If you are anywhere to be found, please approach the stage as Matthew is here. We hope to find you soon. Feel ko tumatakbo pa siya. But don't worry. Yes. Again, Marco Zandro Marasigan, please approach the stage as your brother Matthew is here. And to all the balloons who finished the 5 kilometer run, don't forget to clean your heat bags sa the back road, guys. Thank you so much.
Ito.